Hi guys, today I'm studying Galileo Galilei. He was a super scientist. Some even call him the Wrangler because he was asking questions all the time. His mind was so big that he did many different types of inventions. The first one is the telescope. He made the first telescope and he saw the Jupiter and its moons orbiting. And he saw Saturn and its rings. And then he looked at the moon and he saw that happened? That he figured out that the Earth is not in the middle of the solar system. It's the sun. And the sun, the moon doesn't make its own light. The sun reflects it. So, and he looked through his telescope, and then he saw that different faces of the moon. And this is a heliocentrum. So see, the sun was in the middle, the earth wasn't in the middle, and this is the reflection of the light. Look what's gonna happen. See, look at the orbit. So, the Roman church locked him up because they thought it wasn't true, but it was. And they locked him up for trial, and people thought Aristotle's theories were true, but they were not. So when he was in school, what happened is this: that he saw a big lamp hanging from the ceiling, and then he saw it swinging. Look like this. Look like this. Take one end. You can make your own out of ball and string, and you tie it, and look what's gonna happen. It's slowing down. So the longer the string, the faster it'll go. The shorter the string, the shorter it'll go. And they burned his books because they thought it was not true again. So this is what happened. He also made the law of pendulum, and the law was the longer the string, the faster it'll go, and the shorter the string, the shorter it'll go. And he made all different types of inventions. But what happened is that Aristotle said that objects don't fall at the same time. But that was not true because Galileo took two cannonballs. One was heavy and one was light. And they dropped them at the Pisa Tower. And they figured out that they fell at the same time. So Apollo 15, with 15 astronauts, did this. They had a feather and hammer. They dropped it and it fell at the exact same time, and that proved Galileo's theory. And if you want to learn more about scientists, join me on Nathan the Science Kid.